Hi, everybody. So, against Kyle's better judgment, I have found a fabulous fabric, or I should say the team found a fabulous fabric, and now I'm ready to introduce to you the IndigoWrap product line. It will be released very shortly, but I want to give you the highlights of what makes this so different. First of all, we found a Velcro fabric that is very durable. It's definitely going to last a 1-year warranty. We have found a way to create loops that are comfortable, easy for you to use. It's protecting your fingers when you're pulling it. The sizing is very adjustable. It is going to be within our standard size product line. You'll be able to use this on patients even if there is some standard deviation around the ankle where there's some skin bulges, but refer to the sizing chart. I did double, triple, quadruple check these sizes to make sure that that sizing range is correct. So use the sizing chart. Now let me show you how you're going to put this garment on. This is a lower extremity for the right leg. Features we made sure of is that always that top strap is going to the lateral aspect rather than the medial. That way it's not catching on your pajamas or whatever else or rubbing your leg. We did put the foot portion on the lateral also, because when it was tested, what we found is that people while they're sleeping rub their feet together. And when it was on the medial side, they tend to rub or lift up that Velcro hook, which irritates their unaffected foot, or it loosens the other. So donning this garment is going to be fairly simple. You're going to open the Velcro straps to their largest size. And you're going to slide the garment on. And I'm sitting on the cutting table here because, quite honestly, the easiest way to put one of these on is when you're in bed and you can long sit to do it. You can do it hanging your leg over the bed also, but for me, this is the easiest. You're going to start off with the foot portion and you're going to bring it around. Now, what you can see on the video is this beige area. That is called a landing pad. That's going to come with the garment. This Velcro and Velcro receptive material is going to make it that your garment is going to have a hugely extended life. So when the garment comes to your therapist or to your fitter, they're going to get a packet of landing pads. When they fit this on you, they're going to put a landing pad on the garment. And it'll probably be black for black ones, beige for beige ones, but for right now, I'm using beige so you can see it. Then the garment is going to be wrapped around and put on. So it will hold it in place, but again, the idea is how can we provide you with a garment that's going to have the most life expectancy? So for me, I'm going to put the landing pad here. I'm going to pull the next strap over, lay it down. We're all big fans here of doing bilateral compression. When you pull, you stretch both sides. You can do one at a time. You can do it the way. Now you're going to come back and it's going to double check. And if your therapist, your fitter has fit you, you're going to know that's the right place with the landing pad. This wasn't fitted for me. I'm doing it myself. So I adjusted a little bit. So this is what you're going to sleep in. In the morning, lift it up. Don't take the Velcro all the way off. Unless you have limitations that you can't do this, then you can take it all the way off. I recommend you keep the foot strap where it is. It's just going to make it a lot easier to take on and off. So off the garment comes. You're going to want to wash this frequently, once a week. So we've designed it with fibers that you can machine wash, machine dry, machine wash on warm or cold, whatever you prefer. Dry it on the low heat setting in your dryer. We do provide you with a mesh bag when you receive this garment. That is for you to wash it and dry it in. Again, this is Velcro hook. It's going to stick to everything. So when you're washing and you're drying, keep the garment affixed. It doesn't have to be tight. It can be to the largest portion, but you don't want all the lint and everything getting into the Velcro. So this is our IndigoWrap half leg. The product will be introduced this month, and it will be available for you to purchase. Thank you very much.